Welcome back, O-Doers! Buckle up for this world journey as we explore accounting together. I'm Ali, and in our company, Sunray, a great amount of employees' time is spent handling accounting activities. So, thanks to Odoo, we have the opportunity to keep all accounting transactions and documents in the same place, which allows us to save a lot of time and avoid mistakes. So, with Odoo Accounting, we can be much more efficient thanks to all the functionalities available in the software. In addition, there are a lot of integrations with the other applications like sales or inventory, which is even easier for us to get the right information from the other departments. So this course will cover essential notions and configurations to help you set up your accounting in Odoo. So you see here an overview of the main topics we will see together in various videos. So what an exciting program. We have also frequently attached helpful supporting materials to videos, and you can access them through the links below those in the list view. So in the documentation, you'll find additional theoretical content and some frequently asked questions on our accounting topics. So together with me, you'll see some of my colleagues following the tutorials. So one question that has been asked in joining this course is, what are the most important configurations to start off accounting in Odoo? So the bare minimum to make sure your accounting application is ready to go live are based on three pillars. So first is the chart of accounts, and then the journals, and lastly, the taxes. So if you have those three things properly configured, you are ready to go for your first invoices. Please note though that we can have additional configurations to make based on the other applications you might have in your database. Okay, so now let's have a look at what accounting looks like in our Sunray database. Let's go in the accounting application to see how it's constructed. So here, you arrive first in the accounting dashboard and you already have some information available for you. So we are in the Kanban view. Each box here represents a journal in your accounting, and above all, we also have the onboarding wizard available to help you out to set up your accounting application. So how come you already have some journals and some information in your accounting application without setting up any configuration? Well, that's because when you create your database and you have chosen your country, Odoo will install the accounting localization package related to that country. So to access it, you need to go in the configuration menu and in the settings to know which localization package was uploaded. So here, the first setup is for the fiscal localization. And as you can see here, my package is the Philippines. That's because I'm in a Philippine company. So you can decide to install more packages if you want. Say for instance, if you are in a multi-company environment and you have companies from different countries, you might need to, of course, upload a new package. Please note though that this feature will disappear if you have any journal entry created in the system. So even if it's just in the draft, it will disappear. So make sure you have the right localization ready before you go live with your accounting. Now let's go back to the dashboard to see how it's built. So as I was saying, we also have here our different journals, and you can see the different types super easily. So we have access to our customer invoices, to our vendor bill, to our bank statements, so all in one place. And then through the onboarding wizard, you have to configure all those before being ready to go live. And then first, Odoo wants you to set up your accounting period, so make sure that Odoo knows the last day of your fiscal year. You also have the possibility to update your chart of accounts. So from here, you have access to it from the localization that was uploaded, and you can change super easily. So as you can see, just like that, you can change whatever you want, change the names, change the code. So it's super easy, and then you can just save it all you want. And then if you come by to the dashboard, of course, it will be validated. So we also have the taxes and the bank account that you can synchronize. And then you can also access here other transactions or activities in the customers and vendors tab. So all those steps will be explained in other videos in the e-learning, so don't hesitate to check those out to make sure that you don't miss any configuration. By the way, another thing that the localization will upload are legal reportings from your country. So here, for example, here in the Philippines, we have generic statements for the balance sheet, for the profit and loss, and so on and so forth. However, in some countries, I believe there are also other dedicated reports. So don't worry, because Odoo will make it available for you once set up in the fiscal localization. And then even if the localization package is not complete, you can still have legal reports available for you in the system. So that's all for me in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!